little 14 sister. And this is part 2 of Little's Pet Shop Camp. I added some new designs to it. As you might see, there's a little bag thing behind me. So yeah. We are like so popular. We should get the good seeds for breakfast. But we better Perfect. Everyone, quick! Get your bear. Start. Oh, also, you might see more of these videos, or not of these videos, because my friend is coming over. Watch AG stuff, and it'll be there. There'll be not really AG stuff, it's like American Girl stuff. It's not really called that. Like, if you type in American Girl, or the little 14, the capital T, little, capital L, ITTEL 14, and that'll be the channel, and you can look anywhere on that. Drinks. Ice cream is for later. Sorry, my little sister is liking bubble gums. Yeah, Russia's 3. Them two are taking all the stuff because they don't want anyone else to have it. Okay, everybody come get your stuff. Mine. Totally mine. Chicken flavored bone. Wait up! Sorry it took us so long. First come, first serve. Sorry guys, there's no more food. 5. Someone's up there. Carrot! During someone, first come, first serve. All done. was really good. Seriously, ice pack won't go in. Okay, guys, you may go back up to your rooms. We're taking a field trip in 15 minutes. Seriously? I did not get out. I get my own room. Where did I sit? I don't remember. What? What? Seriously, we're ready to go to field trip, but the bus driver isn't. Everyone stay with your partners. You two will be partners with us. Actually, I'll be partners with you. Now see, we can be partners. There. Ready? Get on the bus. Partners. Get in, Kayla. Sorry, it's not my fault. Oh. Let us get in here. We'll be watching you guys. Join us for part 4, I think. Yeah, part 4. Part 4!